2026 Defender's going nowhere because it's protected with a Ghost 2 Pro Immobiliser. So this system allows them to start the vehicle. You can keep your remote start, have the vehicle running. This hybrid's gone to ready at the minute, but as you can see, we have no lights on our gearbox here. If a thief was trying to steal the vehicle, they had the key, you had it remote started, they got in, tried to drive it away. It's just not going to allow them to take it out of park. So we have a simple code on this for our video. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a double flash from neutral. And now the gearbox lights come back on, we can select our gear and we can drive away. When we turn it off, it's a self-activating system, the Ghost 2 Pro. So if someone grabbed this key when you got out, went to steal your vehicle, as soon as it restarts, the lights are out on the gearbox, as you can see, and it's going nowhere. So we'll pop our code in. 1, 2, 3, 4. We get the neutral flash, the lights come back on the gearbox, and now we can select our gear and drive off. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a 2026 Defender. To get your vehicle secure, give us a call on 0208 212 7393, and this is the Ghost 2 Pro Immobiliser.